Okay, so hello everyone. This is Rommel from Neurac, and I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you here for joining this basic training about Newlink application with OMIP PBX. So for today, these are the contents of our training. We'll be talking about features and functions of Newlink. Then the next one is installation and the registration process. And the next one is about Newlink management system. And last one is about how to bundle with OMIPPBX with Newlink. So allow me to give you a product overview about Newlink. Newlink is a digital collaboration platform for enterprises that provides users with a one-stop collaboration and communication features. So basically, the Newlink provide customers with a high definition of audio and video conferences, instant messages, and phone calls. I think as well as using the multi-terminals collaboration. So from this diagram, the new RAC OMIPPBX can support access to Newlink cloud platform in order to achieve the connectivity with the so-called corporate extensions and turning these corporate extensions into mobile extension. That will guarantee you to never miss a business call. So when Newlink is bundled with our Neurac OMIP PBX, they will integrate the instant message, the video conference, and IP telephony together. So as a result, it will empower those SMEs and effectively improve the enterprise collaboration efficiency. So in general, Newlink can be perfectly applied to SME, government, finance, and hotels industries. Okay, let's discuss with the features of Newlink. The first one, it's very easy to install. The registration and login can be done via the mobile phone and verification code. And uh, any smartphone that has Android 7.0 and iOS 11 and above, you can already install our Newlink app on your smartphone. And it's easy to use. It's a simple and user-friendly interface for communication. And it's secure and reliable. We have a multi-encryption and decryption methods to protect privacy and data security of the enterprise. So we have a multi-ways for higher security. So we have the end-to-end encryption and the front-to-back terminal encryption transmissions. And it's stable. We have a cutting-edge technology to ensure the connection stability and reliability. We use the new H.264. I think it's to optimize the compression technology, and it guarantee users that can get a clear and stable calls. So and again, we're using HD voice technology and echo cancellation technology to this is to protect from any interference or and it has a reasonable pricing. We have a multi-level package. So anyway, we have that in our website and you can select the package you want. So you can choose that accordingly. And it has an integration. So when deck with our Neurac IPPBX, they will integrate the instant message, video conference, and IP telephony together that is to improve enterprise collaboration efficiency. So we attach great importance to data security. So as I've mentioned, we have multiple ways for high security. We have the end-to-end encryption, front-back terminal encryption transmission. So basically, when we talk about end-to-end encryption, it's this is to protect users' messages, meetings, and documents data. And with regards to front back terminal encryption, this is the message is encrypted using a new key. So even if there's a node that is compromised by any attack, users transmission of data is still unbreakable. And we support a simple privacy agreement. It's clear and simple and it's easy to understand. So we only store those required data to ensure that your session remains synchronized between each device. It's transparent and no data analysis. So we promise not to sell our users' data or analyze or use any of the users' data. And we have a stable business model. We profit by providing paid functions and value-added services. So we don't publish any advertisement or pop-up
Yang
windows.
kasnya awasin. Nah, taruh di atas itu. Oh, ya, minta
And
yang bawah
we have a
untuk kabel
custom,
powernya.
yes, we have a custom deployment. We support a range of deployment options, including a public cloud deployment, a private deployments, or on-premise deployment. I think most customers, especially for enterprise, they require also the on-premise deployment. Yeah, for with regards to its function, it's easy communication. So we have an enterprise a structure. So we support a multi-level enterprise structure settings. It's quickly find colleagues based on their hierarchy in a real structure. So with regards to the multi-level of organizational structure, we combine that with intelligent search function. So we have a control book, a contract book. It supports search portal for organizations, groups, and external contacts. And you can quickly initiate conversations, calls, meetings in the contract book. And of course, we can support quick search for chat history and conversation lag. So yeah, we have an intelligent search function that colleagues' contact information can be found immediately without we send friend requests, right? So we don't have to do that. It's so simple and very efficient. And again, we do support edition, just one click to enable the text edition of text. It's clearly organized and efficient. And we can also send audio message. There's no time limit, so you can talk as long as you like. And as you can see here, we can also send the audio message. You can, yeah, there's no, I would say we can say goodbye to the limited 60-second voice message. So basically, you can communicate easily with one voice message. So using our new link, you can have this capability to send audio message, talk as long as you like. Then with regards to the message status, it's up to the users to enable or disable the red message status. So we have a privacy option and you can disable or enable that to the send request receipts. And the red message status will only be displayed in chat when both parties have turned on the function. So I think it will create a fair and equal experience on both sides. With regards to the group chat, the group administrators can set whether or to enable these send red receipts information. So this is on the group administrator. Okay, so in with regards to with the read or unread status at glance, so if it's not getting a reply on time, so you can use this ping function. You can ping important message, it's used as a light reminder rather than interrupts or disrupt colleagues. So you can see here it pop up that Hannah sent me a ping, so you can see that on your smartphone. So you can use the ping function to remind receiver to read the message or a file. And again, we can support sending files. Yeah, we can support multiple file formats. You can send that, just simply attach that and send the file that you want for that. So we support end-to-end encryption for file transfer. And we have also the whiteboard and painting. And as you can see here, we do support 17 colorful brushes to quickly paint your ideas. So here, this is just example that I have to create yeah, sorry for I mean, it's not really readable, but I have shown here the diagram. So we have our OM 8000 and alongside with that our TG connected to IMS, and we're using our analog gateways to PSTN. So I can add the sketch and send that. We can also add the embedded emote icons. So we can add that one. And of course, we can resign or annotate any images. So you can paint your creative inspiration or imagination whenever you want. So you can do that while you are talking with each other, or we're conversing with each other. And another function we have is born after read and remote control. So we can support for customizing the time length. So this is the example. We can born this one. So we can do 10 seconds, or after 5 minutes, after 1 hour, or after 1 day. And we support in a single chat and group chat. We can support text, voice, picture. So you can do the born after read. I mean, this is very, if you want to send confidential information and with high confidence, so you just set this one. Not just, as I mentioned, not just the text, but also voice, picture, whiteboard, video. So we can support unlimited function for this born after reading. And of course, you can send pictures and videos. So we support for album selection or photo taking. So we can do that. So either way, we support for video recording and sending. And we have the end-to-end encryption with the messages and files as well. So it's very safe, and we do really have this encryption level that the sender have the high confidence that they have the confidential information sent to the other party. Another function we do support is you can have the capability of group meeting. You can start the meeting within a group with one click. So usually we call that is a confidential meeting. You can have the group meeting for 4 to 10 parties. And of course, we do support that for end-to-end encryption on data. We support for sharing screens, application windows, or films or videos, and use of session windows during the meetings. So you can share that and to facilitate the sending of some text messages exchanges. So again, we protect the sensitive meeting data. So I think by default we support 4 parties, and then you can expand that to 10 parties for group meeting. So this is with regards to security conference environment. Yeah, so we can also have the secure meeting room. So you can quickly initiate, you can join or book a meeting room. And again, we do have the encryption for the SRTP, this encryption mainstream that we use. It's rich security management features, such as we have the locking meetings, we can also hide the meetings, and we can also, just like the Zoom, that you do have the recording permissions to ensure that the meetings are conducted in a very controlled and orderly manner. And also we do support sharing for screen sharings, and of course application windows or screen phones. And also we support session windows during meetings for easy file sending and text exchanges messages. And this secure meeting room can be for a multi-party from 10 up to 400 parties. So we do support that with this function of our new link. So again, we enjoy a multi-party for audio, video meeting anytime, anywhere. So you can switch also seamlessly between the mobile or using tablet or computer or any conference room devices. And again, users can choose to join with audio or video conference, just like also the Zoom platform. So also, you can decide to pull in your colleague to join the meeting or in the middle of the meeting. So in general, our new link app makes your meetings as flexible as you want.